I am pleased to share a message for the breast cancer awareness program, the PinkStrong Walkathon, that is being organized by Fortis Hospital, Bannerghatta Road. As you all know, breast cancer is among the most common cancers affecting women, and early detection plays a very big role in preventing the spread of breast cancer. So I would urge all the people to go in for regular screening and also to maintain a healthy lifestyle. The PinkStrong Walkathon is not just a symbol of solidarity with the breast cancer survivors, but also it's a powerful reminder of the importance of awareness and prevention. I applaud the efforts of Fortis Hospital for bringing in awareness about breast cancer and supporting the cause for the breast cancer survivors.